Right here, we were gradually going up. Oh, psych, bitch. Oh, let me just go up to 42. This is where all the bitches were making money, right here, $42. And then it's like, oh, you know, let me drop down. Got a quick boner, was up, and then it dropped. And then this is like where me and Garrison started to buy shit, so it went to rock bottom. This was where my cousin threw in a band, right here, Kevin. And then, you know, we threw in some more, and this is where it's at right now. But it's gonna be going up here, baby, because Doge to the fucking moon.